Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone using ApowerMirror software. First thing, visit this website ApowerSoft.us. I will put the link in description box. Here, just simply download and install it. Installation process is pretty easy. Then open the icon from your desktop. At home screen, you will see two methods. First, wireless connection. Second, USB. For wireless connection, you have to make sure that your desktop computer and your iPhone device must be connected with the same Wi-Fi. For USB, all you need to do is just simply plug the one side of cable with the computer and other side with the iPhone, and then select USB connection. And here you go. Now I will unlock the iPhone, and this way I can easily mirror my iPhone with my Windows 11 desktop computer. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content.